You can use it for anything. Like you could do materials, you could do organics, you could do biomedical applications, like you could do anything.
One of the cool things about CSU that's different from the other schools in Colorado doing chemistry is that if you want to be pre-med or pre-vet and you want to get a chemistry major and you want to be ACS certified, you can do that here at CSU in 120 credits. You can't do that anywhere else in the state. Other cool things.
I recently had the pleasure of completing a 6-month internship with Ian J. Gallo, and during that time I was able to use all of the chemistry skills I've learned over the past 3 years and apply them in the winemaking field, which was very fun.
With an environmental chemistry degree, students have the opportunity here at CSU to come work in our labs and think about how we can use new instrumentation like mass spectrometers to make measurements of really, really tiny trace gas quantities of different types of chemicals, whether they're released by human activities like synthetic chemicals from industry, or if they are naturally emitted from plants or other natural ecosystems. So we can think about those emissions, we can make those measurements, and students will have the opportunity to come and work in labs and sometimes even in the field taking those measurements and thinking about that science.
Chemistry prepares you very well for the Air Force, and I'd say vice versa. It's a lot of studying and hard work, but it's pretty rewarding.
The students in my lab who work in these areas have gone on to a number of different positions, including in hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and in diagnostics companies as well. Some of them got into careers in medical writing fields.
I chose the environmental concentration in chemistry mainly because it has a really good amount of classes that you can take that will help me pursue a career in the environment.
Forensic chemistry will prepare our graduates to pursue a career where crime scene evidence merges with the sciences to solve a crime. Our students may sit in a courtroom, thus we train them to communicate in technical language when they present their testimony in front of the jury so that they can understand the science used to analyze the evidence.
There's a whole variety of career paths you can take. You can go through being a coroner, an autopsy technician, you can work in the CBI, you can work in the CIA, FBI, so those are all things I've considered when going to school here, and I think that being able to pursue this degree has granted me the opportunity to be able to go in any direction in which I choose.